So guys, what you see on my screen is called chart patterns. What you see on my screen here is called chart patterns. Now, there are patterns that you see in the market that will tell you that an uptrend is about to come to an end. Also, there are patterns you see in the market that will tell you that a downtrend is about to come to an end. You understand? There are also patterns that you will see and you will know that an uptrend is still going to continue. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you today. You already know what an uptrend is, right? Higher highs for uptrend, lower lows for downtrend. Okay, so now how do you know that an uptrend is about to change or end and become a downtrend? Okay, so those are the patterns I'm going to be teaching you. So when I say chart patterns, these are patterns that you will see and you will know that a trend is about to reverse. And today we're going to be talking about the double top pattern. We're going to be talking about the head and shoulder. We're going to be talking about the what? The rising wedge pattern. Okay, then as we progress, we're going to continue on continuation patterns. Okay, what are the patterns that you need to see to know that this market is still going to be going up? What patterns do you need to see to know that this market is still going to be going down? Okay, so these are some of the patterns I'll be showing you. And also, if you look at our chart, we talked about ascending wedge, descending wedge, symmetric triangle, and all that. I'll be teaching you all these patterns. Okay, but today we're learning reversal what? Patterns. And the first we have here is the double top. So if you're taking your notes, please draw this and let me give you a note on that. The double top. Are we good to go? Okay, awesome. Now the double top, if you have written that or if you have this drawn on your book, put this as a note. The double top formation is a chart pattern that occurs in an uptrend. It is a signal that an uptrend is about to come to an end. I repeat, the double top formation sorry. So I said the double top formation is a pattern that happens in an uptrending market. So I said the double top formation happens in an uptrend. It's a signal that the uptrend is about to come to an end. You can see the market goes and hits a top. Hold on. Let me get my drawing tools. The market hits the top, which is this zone, okay, comes back, gets to that zone and did not break it, giving you an M formation. So whenever you see this signal, it is a sign that an uptrend is about to come to an end. So what are you expected to do? You're expected to take a trade at the neckline of the M. Remember, if this is an M, please forgive my writing. Here is the neckline. So you're expected to take a trade here, and you're expected to put your stop loss here, and you're expected to put your target here. So that is why I told you guys that the M formation is one of the best strategies that you can adopt as a trader, the M and W strategy. Okay, so these are some of the patterns that show you when this market is going to reverse. And we just talked about the what? The M formation. Do you guys understand? Or I should recap? If you understand, please let me know. If I should recap, please just say recap on the group so I'll know. Okay. Okay, people are asking me to recap. Well, I'm going to start all over again. This is why I need time so I can teach everyone to understand properly what we're doing. I don't want you to finish this class and you don't know what you're doing. Sorry, so I was talking about what? Chart patterns. I need a board to write. I was talking about chart patterns. Okay. Now we're saying chart patterns. These are, we have reversal patterns. Reversal patterns. Are you getting me? And we have continuation. And we have continuation patterns. So what I'm trying to say is that these reversal patterns, this is the one we're talking about today. On your note, you can say reversal patterns are patterns that shows you or tells you that the market is about to reverse. That's why they are called reversal patterns. Sorry, my network. So I was saying that we have what? Reversal patterns and we have continuation patterns. Okay. Now I'm talking about reversal patterns here. And I say these are patterns that when you see it, you know that the market is about to change direction. For example, if the market is going on an uptrend, higher high, and the market creates a high, okay, and when it comes back, the market refused to break that high, forming an M formation. When you see this, it's a sign that this uptrend is about to come to an end and a downtrend is about to start. So you see the market will start forming a new what? Trend. Okay, but what happened here? There was a double top. There was a double top. Do you understand now? Do you understand now what a double top means? Okay, awesome. So I say these reversal patterns, I'm going to start all over again in the second section. Once this meeting gets cut off, please join with same link. So what I was trying to say is that reversal patterns, these are patterns that will tell you that this market is about to what? Change. If they were going uptrend, if you see a reversal pattern, know that this market might stop going uptrend and a new trend will be formed. Do you understand? And if it is going downtrend and you see a reversal pattern, you know that the market might likely what? Change what? Its movement. So that's what reversal patterns are. And I will go back to sharing them one more time before we close this section and we start the second section. I'll go back to sharing them one more time. I say we have what? Reversal patterns. Reversal patterns are patterns that when they show, it gives you a signal that the market is about to what? Change direction. An uptrend is about to change to what? A downtrend. A downtrend is about to change to what? An uptrend. Now, I talked about the first one, which is the double top. The double top, like I said, is a chart pattern that occurs in an uptrend. And when you see it in an uptrend, it's a sign. It's a sign that the uptrend is about to what? To end. I repeat that again. When you see this chart pattern, it's a sign that the uptrend is about to come to an end. You can see how the market is trending up and it gives you an M. So you see, you need to look for what? These patterns and trade them. So you see these patterns, where to take your trade is at the neckline. Where you take your trade as a trader is at the neckline. You can see the neckline here. Everyone, you need to print this. I'm going to send it to the WhatsApp platform. All of you must print this and keep it in your trading file, because these are the patterns you need to be trading. These are the patterns you see and you know that the market is what? About to change what? Direction. So that means if you are in an uptrend and you see a reversal pattern, it's a signal that it's time for you to go out because the market is about to what? Change. I'm taking a trade. I'm going to show you. I took that trade because I saw a head and shoulder pattern. Let me go back. Let me open my MT4 so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I need you guys to see. I took a trade on GBP NZD. And I took that trade because I saw a reversal what? Pattern. So these things we're teaching you, these are the stuffs you'll be seeing practically in the market. And you're expected to what? Take action. I need to add some currencies, just hold on. That trade was on GBP NZD. I can't see that on the chart. But let me check GBP USD. If I have something to show on the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, it's not yet on GBP. I hope you can see my chart. So what we're talking about is reversal what? Patterns. Patterns that you see that will tell you that what? An uptrend or a downtrend is coming to an end. Okay, and I'm going to be back testing this chart to show you some samples of, you don't see them all the time. Like one of the patterns we're going to be talking about today, I just saw it right here. That's it. The falling wedge pattern. You understand? It's just one that I spotted here right now. Ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to say is that these patterns, we see them every day as we trade. We see them every day as we trade. They might not really appear as perfect as they are on our textbook. Like this now is a double bottom. You see it. The market got to this level, okay? And when it came back to that level, it didn't break it. Can you see what I'm showing you on the chart? Let me zoom in so you can see it clearly. The market got to a low, okay? And when this market came back to that low, it didn't break it. And this was the market that was trending down. This was a market that was trending down. You can see it. You can see the downtrend is clear. This market was what? Trending down. Okay. And it gave us a low. It gave us a low. It came back and did not take out that low. Forget about the week you're seeing, you understand that it didn't take out that low. Can you see that from this point of a double bottom, the market has started what? A new trend. It has started what? Going up. And if you are taking a trade on this, seeing this alone from this point, which is the neckline, if you are taking a trade from this point, this is over 530 pips. Approximately you would have made. That's serious moolah. If you ask me, that's serious money. Okay, so but I'm looking for a perfect. This is a double top what? This is an example of a double top. We have less than a minute. Join back with the same link. So I'll continue. Okay. is a perfect example of a double top. You understand? So the market did not break this top. It didn't take out this top. You can see it looks like M. Who doesn't see this looking like M? Please let me know if you don't see this looking like M. See? This is an M. That's why I said it mustn't really be what? As perfect as you think. But you must train your eyes to what? Start seeing this. And you can see spotting this would have given you all these moves, which is a lot of money. This is a lot of money. Let's say